To my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross back at it again with yet another video. Today's video is my everyday makeup routine for summer and spring because the better days are coming, so I figured I would share with you what the products are that I'm using and how I do my makeup now. But also because I didn't want to make this video too boring, I decided to answer the questions from the Invade my privacy tag. So I hope you like this format. If you would like a video more focused on just the makeup without all the questions, then let me know in the comments down below because I would like to make that as well for you. I just feel like just normal makeup videos are getting a little redundant here on this channel. So just let me know what it is that you see and what is your interest right now, and I will make sure to deliver. If this is the first time you are seeing my face, and hey amiga, welcome to my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and also I would love to have you subscribe, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. All the products will be listed in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out. And yes, let's just go ahead and get into it. Hey amiga, so the first question is, did you wake up cranky? And I'm also applying my day cream because you gotta start off with some day cream. I did not wake up cranky at all. I woke up very happy and ready to film this video because, you know, I need to be more consistent on my channel. Do you prefer being friends with girls or boys? I would say boys because I feel like men are just less drama, you know, and just straight to the point and stuff. But currently I only have female friendships, so I'm only friends with girls, which is also fine. I mean, it's nice, but it's just like girls tend to be more drama, and I'm pretty much a loner anyway, so I'm pretty much always by myself, always doing things by myself. I don't need I prefer doing things that way. That makes sense. I prefer being by myself and doing things by myself. So yeah, I'm pretty much a loner, but you wouldn't think that, but that's really how it is. Would you ever smile at a stranger? Sure, why not? Like, I don't know, I believe in being nice to other people. I just think that's nice, and you will get back in return what you give. So I definitely think that smiling towards a stranger, why the hell not? I mean, that doesn't cost anything. Being friendly is for free, you know, so I would definitely smile at a stranger. Would you commit to one person? Absolutely. I've been in a relationship for 5 years now, so I definitely think that I can commit, and I don't want it any other way actually, because like right now I'm with a loyal person that I know, like, you know, he comes home every night. I don't have any headaches. I just think that is the best place to be, and yeah, I'm totally committed to him, so I can totally be committed. But the other person needs to be committed as well, because I can't be committed all by myself and the other person is like out there, you know, doing God knows what. So I can definitely be committed. But it needs to come from both ways, if that makes sense. By the way, these Fenty concealers though, like Auntie Riri, she knows what she's doing. Like, I love these. I'm going to Spain in a few weeks, and that means there's gonna be another Sephora there, and I'm definitely gonna go and buy more. Because I bought these when it was Benny's birthday. We went to Paris, and I bought a few there, but like I'm just gonna buy more because this is a bomb. Love it. I just love how Rihanna changed the makeup industry so much with like her concealers, her foundation, especially her foundation. It made so many brands like be inclusive and think about what they're launching. So I think that is so great. Every time that I use it, I'm like, oh my god, this is iconic. But her products are also pretty good. Yeah, just wanted to say that. I love her products. How do you look right now? I'm a work in progress at this moment, you know. What are you currently wearing? I am wearing a robe because I'm getting ready for work. I started this video early so that I could take my time and, you know, do my makeup and all that. Get ready, look really cute for work. Quickly gonna go ahead and fill in my eyebrows. I can't really talk while I'm doing that, so let's quickly erase through this. Then for my eyes, I'm not gonna do anything too crazy because we are going to work. So what I'm gonna do is apply just a little bit of eyeshadow, but nothing too crazy. I like this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and this is the Reloaded Iconic Fever. And I just take one of the transition colors, which is this color mostly, this one and this one, but mostly this one. I'm just gonna apply that in my crease. And in the meantime, let's move on with the next question. How often do you listen to music? Like, I mean, a lot. I listen to music a lot, like pretty much no day goes by without me listening to music. I go to work by train, so I listen to music on the train. And basically my whole way to work, I just listen to music. Sometimes I bike to the station, and while I'm biking to the station, I'm also listening to music. I listen to music while I edit my videos because that is something that I also need to do a lot. So I listen to a whole lot of music. So for my eyes, I'm just gonna use this Ultra Glow Highlighter Powder from Primark, and this is in the color Peach Hint. I'm just gonna apply this all over my lid. And the next question is, do you prefer jeans or sweats more? I must say I like both, but I'm in jeans more than I'm in sweats because I don't know, I feel like here in Europe we wear a whole lot of jeans, so I am in jeans a lot. I can wear jeans to work as well, so most of the time a jean and a tee is just the perfect easy outfit. I don't have to think about it too much, so I love my jeans. Yeah, for my inner corner, I'm gonna go in with this other Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. This is the Angel Heart palette, and I'm gonna use this color right here. The colors don't really have a name in this palette, but it's this color right here. It's like a rosy / rose gold color. And then to buff up the edges, I'm gonna go in with this shade a little bit, and then buffing up and blending it a little more. Then I'm gonna use some eyeliner and make just a simple wing. In the meantime, while I wait for my eyelashes to dry, I'm gonna apply some mascara, and this is the Bad Girl Bang Bang mascara from Benefit. We're also moving on with the next question. Do you think your life will change dramatically before 2020? Well, I'm speaking it into existence. I'm gonna say yes. I'm expecting my YouTube channel to take off. I am working very hard to be successful this year and to grow with my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna say yes. This is gonna happen. This is gonna change. Things are gonna be bigger and better, and different. It's gonna change. Yes. For now, I also have a pretty good life, so I don't have anything to really complain about. Besides, it's not even me complaining, but I want to be able to do YouTube full time, and I think that is completely in my own hands. But yeah, I really want to be able to completely do YouTube full time. It takes a lot of work, a lot of effort, a lot of consistency, but I am accepting the challenge. I'm gonna do it, and if it's not 2020, because 2020 is around the corner, then it's gonna be soon. I feel it, I know it, and I'm gonna make it happen. Speaking it into existence and manifesting it, like, If the person you like tells you that they like somebody else, what would you do? Well, he can go. I mean, honestly, I'm not here to chase nobody. Nobody has time for that. Like, what? You like somebody, then go be with them. Try to find yourself a pop-in person like me. You know, I'm not gonna chase you. You can go. Things like that happen, but I'm not gonna stick up with it or whatever. No, you can go. If you're no longer happy with me, then. Are you going out of town soon? Yes, I'm going on a trip with my mother and also with my mom's colleague, Dini, and we're going to Spain. We're going to Barcelona and also to Andorra, and I'm really excited about it. So yes, I love traveling, so this is gonna float my boat. I'm so excited for that trip. Like, honestly, I'm so excited. Are you afraid to put your feelings out there? Yes, I am very much afraid that I'm gonna get hurt by doing that, so I don't do it if I don't have to, but sometimes I'm also human, so things become a lot and then I have to express my feelings anyways. But I am the type of person who wants to have it together all the time, but I have learned that that cannot be the case always, you know? Sometimes you can't have it together, and that's totally fine. So yes, I am definitely the person who would hide my feelings or wouldn't want to, but sometimes you have to, you know? You just have to. I'm gonna apply the lashes real quick because they are drying. Okay, do you care if people talk badly about you? Yes, I do care. Because I don't talk bad about other people, so why would you talk bad about me? I wish it didn't affect me the way it does, but like, I wouldn't feel 100% comfortable knowing that people are talking badly about me. That's just the person that I am. I think that I became a lot better about it. Like, I try to care a lot less than I used to care, but still I do care. I don't think it's fun when people are talking badly about me, and I think I never will. So the last time I cried, last weekend, I'm not gonna put anybody's business up on here, but my sister was going through a hard time and she was crying, so I cannot stand seeing other people crying. It just makes me cry. So yeah, I cried last weekend. Well, if you could change your eye color, would you, and what color would they be? Ooh, I don't know about that because I love myself with this eye color. This is pretty much the eye color that I've known my whole life, but I think like maybe a honey type of color, I think that would be like very beautiful, but at the same time, I do like my own eye color, so I don't think I would really change it. Name something that you have to do tomorrow. Edit my videos and work on a whole lot of YouTube stuff and also on some Instagram videos and stuff. So pretty much just edit and work on YouTube. And I think that's it for all the questions. Okay, and next I just need to tag somebody who needs to do this video as well. So who am I gonna tag? Anybody that has a YouTube channel and wants to do this tag. So here you go, be tagged to go do this video. It's a fun time. I'm gonna set my makeup with this Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray first. And I'm gonna go over that with my Peach Mist from Too Faced. But that is it, amiga. This is the finished look. This is my everyday makeup look for spring and summer, just the upcoming time now. It's just very, very simple, perfect for work, and just some flowy hair to match, you know. But that is it for today's video, amiga. I hope you liked it and I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more makeup videos, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to make more, but I want to make sure enough people are interested, because otherwise we're better off making other videos. So let me know if you want to see more, or if you just would like to see makeup videos every once in a while. That's also completely fine. You know, times change, people change. It's completely fine. Before we close off, I do want to shout out the comment of the day. And today's comment of the day goes to Cam, and she's saying, I'm loving this routine. She is talking about my previous wash and go routine, in which I also share like I think 11 hacks with you to cut down your washing time tremendously. So if you want to watch that video, if you're interested in cutting down your wash time, then make sure you click right up here to watch that video. And Cam, thank you for watching and supporting my channel. I appreciate you, and I appreciate every single one of you who is watching up until this point. Thank you for riding with me, and thank you for choosing to watch this video. And yes, I hope to see you soon in my next video. Mwah. Bye!